Hello and welcome. Today we are looking at ChainMap module, and we're going to look at how we can use ChainMap with dictionaries. So what's a ChainMap? Python contains a container called a ChainMap, which encapsulates many dictionaries into one unit. ChainMap is a member of the collections module. The collections module implements specialized container data types, providing alternatives to Python's general purpose built-in containers, that is the dictionary, list, set, and tuple. To use ChainMap container to merge dictionaries, first import it from the collection module. So this is how you import ChainMap from the collection module. Now, these are the dictionaries that you're going to merge together with ChainMap. We have data dictionary, which has the key ID with element 1, and the key ID name with Isaac. Then we have the roles, which has the title and field keys. Then we have the details, which has the organization and division keys. Now, we would like to merge these three dictionaries using ChainMap. Now, this is how we are going to do it. This is how you merge dictionaries using ChainMap module. As you can see, this is a ChainMap with all the dictionaries in it. This is the data dictionary, this is the role dictionary, and this is the details dictionary. As you can see, this is the data dictionary, this is the role dictionary, this is the details dictionary, and the employee dictionary, which is we've merged using ChainMap to get all the details, all the elements of the three dictionaries into one. Now we can look at the type of this employee variable. You can look at this type of employee. As you can see, it's from the class collections.chainmap. It's a chain map from the collections module. It's a chain map from the collections module. We can use the keys function to display the keys of the chain map. The keys function is used to display all the keys of all dictionaries in a chain map. Encapsulate the keys, encapsulate the .keys function in a list function. Now that is, you get the list of the dictionary. The keys will be displayed from the last dictionary to the first dictionary. So this is the employee variable. Now we can get these keys of all the dictionary of this chain map. Now, as you can see, we've gotten the keys of the employee chain map. Remember, a dictionary is made up of a key value pair. If you go up here, you can see this is a data dictionary and it has a key value pair. This is a key value pair 1, key value pair 2. Now, if I want to only get the keys of this dictionary, these are the keys and this is the value. Now here in ChainMap module, these are the dictionaries that we've merged together. This is the first dictionary, which was the role dictionary. This is the second dictionary, and this is the third dictionary that we've merged together. And we wanted to get only the keys. This is the key value pair of that dictionary, the first key value pair. This is the second key value pair of the dictionary. First value pair of the second dictionary, this is the second value pair, key value pair of the second dictionary. This is the third value pair of the third dictionary, the second value pair of the third dictionary. Now, with the keys method, I wanted to get only the key. With the keys method, you only get the keys. Only the keys. And the keys will start, as you can see here, the keys will be displayed from the last dictionary to the first dictionary. Now, where's the last dictionary? Here's the last dictionary that we merged. This is the last dictionary with two key value pairs. You can see organization, that's the first value pair. Organization, United Nations, and division, that's the second. Division, WHO, that's the second value pair. So this keys is going to give me the keys. This keys method is going to give me the keys only, not the values, the keys of this chain map, but starting with the last dictionary. So this dictionary, as you can see here, this is the last dictionary. It's going to give me this organization first, the first key, organization, which is here, organization. Then it will give me the division key, which is here now, the division key. Then it will come to title key, the title key, then the field key, as you can see, title key, then the field key, then the ID key. Now this is the first dictionary, the ID key and the name key. Now we can get the values associated with these keys. If you want to see the values associated with any key, let's say now this is how you get the value of this key. Title. This is a list of keys because we've used the keys method. We've used the keys method. This is the keys method on the employee chain map and encapsulated this employees.keys chain map under the list function to make it a list. Now this is the list function, and now this is the print function to print it on the screen. So we've gotten the keys. Now for me to get the title, if I have the keys, to get the title of this, to get the value of this title key, I just put the employee chain map and the title, the key, in square brackets, then I get the value. And when you come here, you'll see that the title is on the second dictionary, and it's the first key on the second dictionary, and the value is data scientist. There's also a values function that you can use with chain maps. Now the values function is used to display the values of all dictionaries in chain map. Encapsulate the values function inside a list function. Values will be displayed from the last dictionary to the first dictionary. Now the first one we did was get the keys of the dictionaries in the chain map, but now we want to get the values because this is a key value pair. Now with the values method, you're going to get the second in the pair, which is the value, and here name Isaac. Name is the key, Isaac is the value, so we're going to get the value. Now we're going to use the values a list of the values from this chain map. This is how you're going to do it. Now, as you can see, we've gotten the list of values from the employee chain map. The employee chain map is a chain map of 3 dictionaries. Now, these are the values from the last dictionary. The value is United Nations. This is the last dictionary. You can see from these brackets, curly brackets, you can see the organization is the key, and the first, this is the last dictionary, but organization is the first key, and United Nations is the first value. So you'll get the first value, which is United Nations, from the last dictionary. Then you get the second value, which is WHO, from the last dictionary. Then you go to the title is the key. Title is the key, and data scientist is the first value from the second dictionary, and bioinformatics is the second value, which is here. Then the first dictionary, the first value is 1, and the second value is ISO. You can also get the data associated with the values. Let's look at chain map manipulation. We have 2 functions to manipulate chain maps. Let's have a look at them. Now, the first function is newChild function. Now, the .newChild function adds a new dictionary in the beginning of the chain map. Now, this is the chain map. Now, if you want to add a new dictionary at the beginning of the chain map, which is here, before this dictionary, this is the first dictionary. Now, at the beginning of this dictionary, if you want to add a new dictionary, we're going to use newChild function. Now, let's say we want a new dictionary, specialty. Now, this is my new dictionary called Specialty Dictionary. The first key is skills, and under the skills, the values, I've put a list of values. This is a list data type, that is computer, math, and scientific. This is the skills for this specialty. And the traits, this is a trait of the gentleman. I have, on the values, I have a list. You remember, dictionary can take a list as its element. I have a list of the traits which are organized and technical. So I have 2 keys, skills and traits, and under skills keys, I have a list of dictionary which is computer, math, and scientific, and under traits key, I have organized and technical. So this is the dictionary itself. This is the first key. And this is the value, which is a list of value. This is the second key. And this is a list of keys. Now I can add this dictionary into the chain map. I've used the employee newChild, this function employee newChild, to add a new dictionary into the chain map at the beginning of the chain map. Now this is the employee chain map, which has only 3 dictionaries. This is one, it's a merge of 3 dictionaries. This is the second dictionary, and this is the third dictionary. But I'd like to add this specialty dictionary, which has 2 keys, skills and traits, and the values is a list of values. computer math scientific, and this value technical, to organize and technical. Now I've used the new child, and it has taken the dictionary speciality as an argument, and this is now, as you can see, the first dictionary. At the beginning of the dictionary, we have this dictionary with the two values, skills, with the key value pair, skills, and a list of values, and the key value pair, traits, and a list of value, organized and technical. You can also get the keys There's a list of keys. No, sorry, not employee, but employee A. Now, there's a list of keys from this employee A that we've added the new dictionary at the beginning. Now, if I want to get the values of traits, because now this is what I think we added. Let's say traits. Organized and technical. Now, this is what you get. Organized and technical. These are the values. It's a list of values. Now, the second function you're going to look at is the reversed function. Now, the reverse function reverses the relative ordering of dictionaries in the chain map. Now, let me illustrate this. Let me have my dictionaries. Now, these are my dictionaries. The first dictionary, dictionary 1, which has value A, the key value pair A, A1, key value pair 2, B2. The second dictionary, the first key value pair is B3, and C, the second key value pair is C4. Now, the dictionaries, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, have the same key, that is B. Now, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 have the same key. This is dictionary 1 with the key B and dictionary 2 with the key B. But the values in these keys are different. The first dictionary key B has the value 2, and the second dictionary, the key B has the value 3. When you use ChainMap to merge the two dictionaries, only the first of the dictionary will be retained, unlike the native Python merge techniques, which retains the second dictionary key. Dictionary keys must be unique. You have to remember dictionary key must be unique. If I merge this first dictionary and the second dictionary, the only value it will remove the keys, the duplicate keys, and it will remove the duplicate keys and retain only one duplicate keys. With the normal dictionary merge, what you're going to get is this value. This is what is going to be retained. But the chain maps, it retains only this value, the second value. For example, if I want to merge the normal way you merge a dictionary, now I've used the merge dictionary. I've used the merge dictionary to merge these two dictionaries. This is the first dictionary, dictionary 1. This is the second dictionary, dictionary 2. And I've used this merge operator to merge these two dictionaries, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, and I've saved it under the norm1 variable. Now, this is the values that I'll get. As you can see, I have the key value pair A1, key value pair A1, key value pair B3, and key value pair C4. Now, as you can see, dictionary has removed the duplicate keys and it has retained the second value, which is here. It has retained the second value of the dictionary, not the first, the second. But with chain maps, when you do chain maps, when you merge two dictionaries using chain maps, this is what it's going to do. It's going to retain only this one. So let's have a look at it. Now, as you can see, now this is a chain map of the two dictionaries. I've merged these two dictionaries, that is dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. With this chain map function from the chain map from the collection module. This is what I get. But now if I want to get the value of B, because now you know dictionaries we've seen from here, it's going to only, dictionaries have to have unique values, so we need to get the value of key B. Now the value of key B is 2. Now you get the difference when you merge two dictionaries. These are two dictionaries with the merge operator. Always the norm is the dictionary will keep the last value in the dictionary. If you have two key value pairs which are identical, like this one, B, key value pair B2 and key value pair B3, now this is the dictionary D1 and this is dictionary 2. You can see the values for dictionary 1, you can see the values for dictionary 2. Now if I use the merge operator, only the second of the two pair dictionaries is going to be retained. This is the value, because the dictionary is going to remove the duplicate keys, because now this dictionary is now become 1, this dictionary become 1. Now if I use the chain map dictionary, this is the chain map of the dictionaries, the two dictionaries, this is the chain map, and if I get the value of B, chain map will always start with the first dictionary, unlike the second, unlike the normal way where dictionaries will always start with the second one, or the last on the pair. Now let's look at the reversed function. Now the reverse function is going to reverse this. It's going to reverse this value from 2 to 3. This is how it's going to be. We are going to reverse this value so that it doesn't we are going to reverse the chain 1 so that the value can go to the second one. Sorry about that. This is supposed to be chain, not chain. It's an object of the reversed list. Now let's get the value of this. Let's get the value of B. As you can see now, the value of chain 1B is 3 now. It has moved from 2 to 3. Now this is the way you do when you have two key values on two dictionaries. When you have two key value pairs, this one and this one, and in chain maps it's going to pick the first one, while in the normal dictionaries methods it's going any method in the normal dictionary without chain is going to take the second one. Now if you want to reverse so that the chain map can take the second dictionary value, this is how you do. You use the reversed function, then you'll get the value. Now thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to this session. Kindly click the like and subscribe button. It will go a long way to help my channel. And do have a lovely day and be blessed. See you next time.